How to buy yocoin in the livecoin exchange. So now you've deposited funds in your livecoin exchange, let's show you how to actually purchase some yocoin. So we click on buy and sell and go to trading. Now in the trading we actually get to see the exchange, we get to see the price. Now if you're not automatically into the yocoin price, on the left hand side here you can choose whichever currency or cryptocurrency you're looking for. So if you wanted to look at the Bitcoin options, for instance, we just type in BTC here and we can see we've got BTC versus US dollar, BTC versus euro, BTC versus Russian ruble. So if we looked at the BTC versus US dollar, we can see the price here over time. We can choose different time frames. We can look at the 30-minute charts to see the price variation every 30 minutes and every 15 minutes and every 4 hours and every day. So we can see the overall price variations on the charts. Now let's go back to YOC, which is the code for yocoin. So we put in YOC and we've got the three ones here. So we want yocoin versus the Bitcoin price. So we click on that and here is the chart. So we can see on the daily chart as I'm recording this video, we've got this distinct up graph here. We've got some variation right at the start when it opened in the markets. That's fairly, you can ignore that, but it's the current trend that we're looking at here. On the 4-hour chart we can see the prices up at the top. We've got the green line here shows the buy price and the red line shows the sell price. You have to pay more than you sell it for instantly, but as the price goes up you buy it, and hopefully you buy low, sell high. Very simple principle. Now directly below the charts we can see, here's the information. Here are the orders that are currently sat in the exchange. So these are people willing to sell. So we can see here there's 638 yocoins available for sale at 89 microbits, 89.98 microbits, and there's someone here willing to buy 34 yocoins. They're offering, they've put their bid in here to buy 34 yocoins at 71 microbits. And we've got the color of the chart here shows how big the trade is relative to others. So we've got a 100 yocoin sale here, which is quite small on the red graph. And we've got a 9,999, so that goes right the way to the side. I think 10,000 might be the limit at any one particular time. At the bottom of the chart we can see how many yocoins are for sale on this exchange at livecoin. 24,000 at the moment, and there's 28,000 people wanting to purchase yocoin. Now on the purchase side you'll see there's a purchase down here, for instance, looking to buy 250 yocoins at 0.08 or 8 microbits. Considering this one here is at 71 microbits, obviously this order will get filled first. The higher the price you're willing to pay, then the more chance you've got of your order being filled first. Now you can go straight in if you want to purchase some yocoin. You can go straight in and buy these 640 here. This is the cheapest that you can buy for on the exchange at the moment at 89.99 microbits. So how do we do that? Well, let's say we wanted to buy, I will just buy 5 just as an example here. So we buy 5, it has the current price in here, 89.99, 88.998. It's the lowest price there. So that would cost us 0.0004508 Bitcoin, including a 0.2% transaction fee. So if we click buy, hopefully this will illustrate for you how to buy it, and we've got it, there we go. We've ordered those successfully and we've just bought 5 yocoin. Very simply how to buy the yocoin. So you put in your price here, or how many you want rather. So let's say you wanted to buy 100. You can see how much that would cost there. Now maybe you don't want to buy the current high price. Maybe you're willing to put in a lower price and catch it as the price comes down. So let's say we want to put in a purchase between these two bids here. Let's say we want to do 63 microbits. So we can go in here and we can say we're willing to pay this price, 63 microbits. So the total including the 0.2% transaction fee was 63.126. So we can click buy 100 and we've put in a limit buy order for 100 yocoin at 0.63. We can see it here. Our order is sat here. We're buying 63 microbit price for 100 yocoins. So if the price was to come down, then we'd get that order filled. At the moment we can see the price is up here closer to the 90 microbits, but it may come down, so I'm willing to wait for that order to go. But if, as you've just seen, also if you want to just get your yocoin, because you know the price is going up and you just want to get them and then just forget about and not have to be checking to see if you pick up the price, because this price may run away. I may never get this order filled, and this is what's happened here. So 63 microbits, 100 yocoin I'm willing to purchase, but down here you can see the 250 yocoin at a really low price. I don't think that order's ever likely to get filled. So the person's placed the order in there, but it's unlikely to ever actually happen. So there we can see that's how we place in the orders. Now it may be sometimes it will take a little while for the orders to get filled. If we look at this big candle here, the red candle coming down, if you had an order in to purchase at say 55 microbits, you would have got those orders filled here, and then the price went straight back up to 70 microbits. So that would have been a very quick potential profit there. But anyway, that hopefully gives you a better feel for the transactions and how to make your purchase in your Livecoin account.